Okay, so as you can see, this big old box here, I'm going to do an unboxing. We're going to cut the beginning of the video like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva. So now we have a heat press. We get into the details later on, but we're in my dining room because my basement office is kind of cold. But anyway, let's get to the point. Here we go. It says heavy, so let's see how that's going to work out. Oh, that looks heavy. And I don't want to destroy this box. Okay, I'm going to need some hands.
I was like, I didn't know if I could jump over here. Oh, you got to
Stay over there. Oh, that's okay. I'm going to get that out.
Oh, my arm is back over here.
That's heavy. It's the HTVRONT manual heat. That's the keypad. That's the keypad. That girl wasn't even live on social media. She had to break her box down to get it out. Can you hold this? Struggle is real. This crap better work because everybody got time to put this stuff back. That makes somebody hot, boy. Okay, now that I have it out the box, this is the keypad. You're gonna see it's going real fast because there's a camera on this thing here. But this is the heat, and this is the seconds that you put it on. This is the controllers. It goes up. You can't really see it, so it's pointless. And then this is the minutes or seconds. And then you press this to turn it on. So we're going to turn that off before it heats. Now this swivels all the way around, as I said in another video. So you can have room to put your shirts or whatever you're doing here without having to burn yourself like most people do. Then when you close it, it's easy. Now, you want it to go tighter, you twist this here. Because you need pressure to do certain things, so you just tighten this here. Now it's harder to put down. So we'll do a whole in-depth cutout, a pattern, and iron it on. But right now, this is just an unboxing.